Hey guys, this is Irfan and today in this video I'm going to show you how you can solve this problem. Network may be monitored written on your notification bar. So without wasting further more time, let's get started. So as you can see here, it is written network may be monitored on the notification bar. To solve this problem, you have to just go to this setting and head to the biometrics and security. Maybe it's just a security in many phones. Then go to other security settings, then go to the view security certificates over here, right over here, as you can see. Now when you click it, you will see some system certificates which are necessary for your network, but you will see one users tab also. Here you will find that this has been installed by a third-party app, so that is why this message is displaying. So all you need to do to remove that message is to remove that security certificate. As soon as you remove the security certificate, you will see that the notification message has been gone. So this was a simple tutorial on how to remove that message network may be monitored from your notification bar or panel. So hope this video will help you guys. If this video helps you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching guys. See you in the next one.